Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a good day. As you know, it's yours truly, Chef Marvin Duarte. Happy New Year's to everyone, to all my subscribers. I give thanks. And we're going to start this new year with new videos, with new recipes. Today, we're going to make beef stroganoff, which is a Russian dish that has pasta and like a stir fry with beef, onions, and mushrooms. So to start off, I have already here in my pot some pasta, some noodles, and I have my pan already heating up with some oil, some olive oil, and in here I have the beef. You can use any type. You can use sirloin, you can use ribeye, you can use filet, which is really good, it's nice and tender. But in this case, I'm just using regular cut up meat, and we're gonna season it with smoked paprika. We're gonna put some salt, and a little bit of steak and chop seasoning, which has salt, garlic, and onion, sugar, spices, lemon peel, a lot of nice flavors in here. A couple of shakes. Now we're going to mix that in. Use our hands. Now we've got to go wash your hands very well because this is raw meat. As well as the beef, like I said, we're going to be using onions, mushrooms, and 3 cloves of garlic, and some butter, some sour cream, which makes the sauce extra creamy. We're going to use beef stock, and like I said, the seasonings. So the pan has to be really, really hot, because otherwise it's gonna, instead of cooking and frying, it's gonna boil. And you don't want to boil it, you want to fry it. So right now, I'm going to put it in, see if it's hot. That's the noise you want to hear, that sizzle. Put this aside. Okay, now while I'm at it, I'm gonna take the water out of the noodles. I'm gonna drain them right here. And this is fresh made pasta. I made it myself. If you want to know how to make the pasta, click the link in the description box. I didn't really care to make it a specific size or length or anything, it's just creative. Alright, put some cold water to stop the cooking. can also use regular pre-made pasta and just like boil it like you usually would. But I decided to learn how to make pasta, so first time making it. Hope it's really good. Now, as soon as this meat gets cooked, I'm going to take it out on a platter, and I'm going to put the mushrooms and onions and garlic in. Then I'm going to put some of the beef stock and the sour cream to make it creamy. And then I'm going to re-add the beef, and we'll cook it all together, and I'll serve it. Alright, the meat is almost cooked. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Then I'm going to fry the mushroom, the onion, and the garlic together. With a tad bit of butter. I'm using 2.5 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to take this out. Spatula, and I'm going to put the butter in. Lower the heat, butter melts fast. We'll get the garlic, get the onions first. Garlic in. And put the onions in. We're going to get a nice caramel color on them. And then we're going to put the onions. After we put all this, we're going to put the mushrooms in. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I've fried the onions a little with the garlic and the butter. Now I'm about to add the mushrooms. Set them aside. Fry the mushrooms with the onions and garlic. After they fry for a little bit and get a little bit of flavor and color, I'm going to add the beef stock and the meat with all its juices. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream to make it creamy. Okay, so the mushrooms I've fried, and now I'm going to put some flour in there. Forgot to say that I needed flour too. And that's just to thicken up the sauce. Mix it up a little. Now I'm going to get the beef that we cooked, the meat, put it back in the mushrooms. Mix this together. It's gonna make the pasta even better. I'm also gonna put some sour cream. Just a spoonful. You can also use creme fraiche, but I don't have creme fraiche, so just gonna use sour cream. Gives it a nice flavor, nice creaminess to it. I'll mix it. I'm gonna let this reduce. Alright, so I let this reduce a little bit more. Now it's ready to serve. In this plate, or bowl, I put some of the pre-made pasta, and I'm going to bring this over here. It smells delicious. I'm going to put some of the meat and mushrooms and onions and all that goodness on top of the pasta. Some juice. Sour cream on top. It's ready. Amazing dish. First time making beef stroganoff. Let's taste. The pasta is authentic. It's amazing. Y'all need to try this at home. It's delicious. Simple, easy recipe. Takes about 30 minutes to make. If I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Please like this video and tell everyone that you know to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.